Hi guys, and welcome back to our Myanmar vlog. And this episode will be about two incredible and scenic Mingun Pagodas, the White Pagoda and the Correct Pagoda, and also about getting to Mingun from Mandalay by boat, taking a mini cruise on the Irrawaddy River.
White Pagoda.
We are at Mya Thein Tan Pagoda that basically consists of white waves. Feels like walking in the clouds.
We came here by boat from Mandalay. The pier is at 26th Street.
The trip costs $3 round trip per person. The boat leaves at 9 a.m. and comes back at 12:30.
For the boat you need to bring your passports, so make sure you have those. Also be there a little bit early. We were there I think 50 minutes earlier and there was a long queue waiting to buy boat tickets. So
When you arrive here, you have to pay another $3 entrance fees.
it's a day ticket and includes all the things here. All the pagodas and sites.
It turns really crowded now, crowdier than when we came at 10 a.m.
One advice we'd have is try to go here first when leaving the boat. So just jump off the boat and be the first one at the temple, and then you can enjoy it with a little bit more quiet and take all the cool pictures you want to take.
So this is the temple of Min Kun. Do you think the temple is busy now?
It doesn't look so from this side, but we are on the rear, on the back side of the temple. I'm guessing everybody else is in the front. But this might also be the first place everybody goes to because it's the closest to the pier. So maybe most people have left already, and now there's not a lot of people around.
Should we go inside?
I think we shall go inside. So we thought that maybe it wouldn't be as full as it was earlier, but apparently this place is very well visited. There are a lot of people here. Looks there is not much left of the lines of stone. If it wouldn't say so on Google Maps, I wouldn't possibly understand that these are lions, but apparently those were lions. I guess the Sphinx has aged better. Fuck, you almost missed our boat.
We almost missed our boat.
No,
The boat is coming back. We are not too late.
Ist ungünstig mit der Sonne. The boat was leaving early, so we were there 2 minutes before departure, I suppose, or maybe 3. Either way, the boat was already on the water and had to come back a few meters to dock against another boat where they picked us up. So we're arriving back at Mandalay. We're gonna climb over all these ships.
Step by step.
If you like this episode, thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And in our next video, we'll be exploring the streets of Mandalay by bicycle and by tuk-tuk.